Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Cash App error 500. So let's get started. So the first step you can do is to check your internet connection. You might have a very weak or disconnected internet connection that might be making this error. So what you can try is switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa and see if this resolves your issue. Another thing which you can do is go to your router and reboot it once and see if it works. You can also try updating your Cash App. Error 500 can also be caused if your Cash App is not updated to the latest version. So head over to your Play Store or App Store, search for Cash App and make sure it is updated to the latest version. You can also try clearing cache files. Sometimes the cache file lead to error 500. So to fix this issue, go into your settings. Over there, go under apps and make sure to click on see all apps, and over here just click on Cash App, and over here just click on clear cache and clear files, and this should fix the issue. But if you're on an iPhone, you can try reinstalling the app. You can also try restoring your device, as this can resolve minor software glitches. Now if all else fails, you can try contacting customer support of Cash App. You can just go to your browser and now search for Cash App support, and over there make sure to click on the Cash App link and you'll be able to submit your issue. And these steps should be enough in fixing your error. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.